The problem is we have a BMW C3 with a broken rear differential mount. This usually gets pointed out as a customer complaint about loud clunking noises from the rear. This will typically occur on the M model in the C3, where the engine is a lot more powerful and puts a lot more stress on the chassis. But in this case, we even see it on a 2.3 liter with the smaller engine. So you can see how broken up the differential mount is. This is how the car came in, with the exception of us drilling out the spot welds in order to remove it completely and install a new one. But this sandwiches around the rear part of the differential mount, and so this is what supports it to the chassis and transfers the torque to the car. So here you see the new installed mount. This is the old mount that goes up to the side of the chassis right here. We removed it by undoing the spot welds. And inside of this frame rail, going from side to side in the car, we have to the top opened it up and laid a support in that's 18 inches inside. It's cherry butt welded through the chassis and up and in the area where the mount goes, so it spreads the load out to a very big area on the floorboard of the car. In addition to that, we've carried the support out here and onto the frame rail like this, so the entire thing is tied in. It's a time-consuming repair, but it saves the car, and now it's a lot stronger than normal. This is typical seen in cars that have, for instance, heavy-duty sway bars installed, where it puts an extra load in, or in cars that are driven very spiritedly, on the M cars with the larger motors. We were just under the car, and so here is what it looks like from the top. The differential mount that broke out is located right in this area right here, and you can see how it cracked the entire floorboard out. So what we do is, as you saw from the bottom, we sandwich a larger, thicker material on each side of the frame rail so that it adds a support in the entire width of the chassis from frame rail to frame rail, and tie the center section in that the differential mount mounts to by welding gussets on, drilling through, and cherry butt welding it all the way through so that the entire structure is sandwiched together and we create a lot more strength. So after performing this repair and making it much stronger than it was in the first place, this car has many years of ultimate driving fun ahead of it.